How to track whale wallets? That is the question we're gonna answer in this video. Many people are curious, how can I follow the smart money? Because whales are the smart money. Somehow they are winners or get lucky in life, but most of the time they know what they are doing and in which project they need to invest. So I will explain you step by step how you can find whale wallets, but also how you can track their performance and also how to get the notification soon as they buy a good project. So the first topic we're gonna talk about is how to find a good project with whales. The second one is look at the top holders and get whale wallets. The third topic is how can we see the performance of the whale? Are they profitable or are they in a huge loss? And the last one, how can we set up a notification soon as the whale is making a transaction? So let's start with the first topic. There are different kind of platforms that offers a clear overview of popular projects. The first one is DexTools. So on DexTools you can see popular hot pairs from almost every chain. You can pair export a new life, big swap. Like there's a lot of possibilities in here. You also have Dex Screener, and on Dex Screener you can see straight away on the left side project chains: Ethereum, Solana, BSC, Arbitrum. Pick one of your favorites. As an example, I pick Solana. Now I'm doing 24 hours and we can see how much liquidity is in the pool. So now we want to find a project that has a decent amount of liquidity pool and also a decent amount of volume. Because we don't want to find a new project with whales, it can be, but also we want to find big projects and compare these wallets with each other. So first we're gonna look for a small project that is new but still with a decent amount of liquidity. I see one here. I'm not sure if it's still doing very great, but the market cap is 20 million and the liquidity is 1 million. So we open up this page and now we check the chart. We can still see that the guys are live since last month. We saw that there was a lot of hype, but now it's not anymore very hyped. So this is the first and simple way. Just search for popular projects and see which project you like. I will tell you more how we can find the wallets, but first let me explain you how you can filter the projects. At the top, we can also see filters. Here we can fill in the minimum amount of liquidity pool. As an example, I want a minimum liquidity pool of 1 million. No maximum. I want a market cap of minimum 5 million. And now I want to have also volume of 500,000. I click on apply and now it gives me all the filter projects. So we can see dock with have. So now we can zoom out and we can see that the project is pumping a lot, like it's doing very great. And this one we're gonna choose as an example. Now I'm coming to the second part. How can we see who are the top holders? Who are the whales of this project? We scroll down and we get the contract address of WIF. Now we go to solscan.io. We paste the contract address in here. We can see straight away holders. And at holders, we can see the value that they're holding. Most of the time, the beginning are contracts, exchanges, or team wallets. But let's go to the third page. Still people having more than $5 million in their wallet. And we can see this guy holding 3.4 million. Now we pick one of them. So we pick this one, 3.4 million. We click on account. We open up a new page. And now you can see what they are holding, but also what they are doing. Hey, he also owns GameStop. And do you remember that one that I showed you earlier? It's like, it's lucky. Like, I didn't know this before, but it seems like GameStop was one of the popular projects. Dock with Head is a quite good project with special terms. And now we can see that one whale is holding both projects. So they have the smart money. They know what they are doing and what they invest in. So the next step is, how can we track their performance? There is an application. Is called Zerion. Zerion is not working yet for Solana, but if you're doing the same process for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum and stuff like that, you can track the performance of a whale wallet. This guy is holding $1.8 million and he lost 3% today, but we can see if we scroll down his wallet and also his performance and profits. we can see he holds this project and he gained 130%. He profit 80k, another 16k, 21k. But on this one, Shido, he lost 168k, 61%. And this is just based on the 24 hours. But we can also track for how much money did he bought. As an example, we click on the project, we can see it's available only for premium, but if you want to pay, you can track the whale wallet with a way more higher efficiency. And this app is so nice. So it also gives us a clear overview of the total holdings, show all assets. This wallet is investing in so much good projects. MetaZero is also doing quite well lately, Moontropica, like this one knows what he's doing for sure. So that is Serion. If you want to track the performance of the wallet, history, everything you can track. Now we're coming to the last part of this video. And I think everybody wants to know, how do I receive a notification to stay up to date of a new transaction of a wallet? The first thing we need to do is get the wallet address of the whale. Click on copy. We go to Telegram, and this bot is called EtherDrops Tracking Bot. This one is the username, EtherDrops S5 Lowline bot. And it gives you a notification of whale wallet's transactions. So we click on start. Your current bot, do you want to activate this one? Activate bot, no, activate file, yeah. Okay, click on activate. Now we can see, do we want to add a wallet? Yes, we want to add a wallet. We want to add a wallet, enter the wallet address. So we copy paste it here. It now asks you on which chain do you want to track the wallet. And we click on all, like we want to know everything about this whale. So we click on done, enter the name, whale wallet, tier 1. Like he has $1 million funds in his wallet. So I think it's a tier 1, or maybe we can say 10 million plus is tier 1, but I think tier 1. As an example, whale wallet tier 1 has been added to the main watch list. So now, soon as this whale wallet is making a transaction, this Telegram bot gives me a notification of his transaction. I took out an old chat with this bot, and as an example, you can see Mega Harry Potter Inu whale received this amount of tokens from this wallet. So there is also transactions involved. It also shows us transactions of buying, like Ether. He sends 103, he sends $8 in gas fee. Now he sends $900 to the wallet address and he received back the tokens. So he bought some tokens. Let's check the transaction. And as you can see right here on this transaction, you can see this guy bought for $612 this token. Not 612, it's now worth 612, but we can see he spent 1700. This one was also like 185 days ago, but this bot is so good. Like it gives you a straight away in transaction and notificates you the whale wallet just bought this coin. And then you can take action yourself, do some research. As an extra tip, I will give you some extra future of research. How can we track the holders of a project? Go to the project page, copy the address, go to bubblemap.io, launch the app. Now we copy paste the contract, and now it gives us a clear overview if holders are connected. Do you see this batch of people? I don't like this. I don't like that somebody owns almost 8 or 10% of the supply. Like 10% is holded by these guys. And we can see another one is holding 3%. And on the right side, we can also see the wallets. But normally, if it is an exchange, it will mention Gate, Maxi, KuCoin. Then it will notify you the name of the wallet. But right now, this one, I don't like it. I don't like to see 10% holding by multiple wallets. If it's 10%, like this one, 4%, it's a contract. So I don't mind that. But if so many wallets are holding so tiny supply, it's not a good sign. But more about that, this was the video, guys. If you are still here, I will appreciate a like and a subscribe. Because if you're still here, you like my video, right? So we posted 7 months ago, 173 videos, and we got 2250 subscribers. So can we push my account to 2500? Thanks, guys, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.